In this video, I will show you how to file Uber Eats taxes on TurboTax. So if you want to actually do this, what you can do is you can head over to TurboTax right here, or you can actually just search for TurboTax. Uber. So click on this right here, and you can see in here this article. So you can head over and then read it as usual, or you can keep track of this right here. You can also use your phone for this one. However, you can see that if you use your phone 30% for delivery fee, 70% per person use, you need to multiply this by 30%. So you can also change up your mileage method as well as your actual method. There are actually a lot of things to consider. So what you can do is you can click on this start right here in order to have TurboTax compute Uber Eats for you. It's actually much more easier than doing this yourself. So that's how you file Uber Eats taxes on TurboTax. Hope we help.